So Nitya by Aditya Birla and Lublit is actually not just any other certificate teachers training program. This actually is a head and shoulders above solution for teachers for various reasons. It starts with a process driven approach, which will start with gap analysis, will take you through the in-depth courses to gain the best outcome. Training is conducted by absolute experts of the industry. You have teachers, principals, and leading training experts who are going to be the ones who are going to conduct the workshop, and they will physically come to your school to conduct the workshop. What Nitya aims to change is to not only give you a customized solution training, will also give you the tools to apply all the learnings that you get in the real life classroom scenario. The knowledge that every teacher will gain out of it will be the real prize.
At Nitya, we meticulously design a teacher training program that blends pedagogy with real-world classroom challenges. More importantly, we focus on practical applications, so every concept teachers learn can be implemented seamlessly in classrooms.